Ang bayan kong Pilipinas, lupain ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig na sa kanyang palad, nag-alay ng ganda't dilag, at sa kanyang yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Ibon mang may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag, ang dimagnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, pugad ng luha at dalita, aking adhika, makita kang sakdal laya.
Madibol goes only asking for equal unity in the free. Pasiano, that's enough. From now on, I don't want to hear that name again in this house. But Tata, it's unfair for what you have done.
Nanang, what is not unfair? Pepe, this is an adult conversation. Just get involved, okay? Adult conversation? Brother Bardano, don't have any wet hair yet. Pepe, do not be too pedantic. Nanang, I have thought why we cannot join the adult conversation while when children, when going to talk, you can join. What do you understand about being fair, Pepe?
Once said, there was a young monk who was struck with the light of the fire. Even in hint of his mother that he will never come to the fire, but he still comes closer. He really liked the light of the fire, so he violated his mother, fly and fly around the fire until his wings flamed and he died. Pepe,
Nanang,
do you understand what the story means?
yes, Nanang, he should listen to his mother and stay away from the fire so that he did not die.
Take three. ¿Qué? Epi. Azores, defensor de entonces la mayoría de gracia.
Esos ojos misericordiosos hacia nosotros.
Muy bien, Pepe, muy bien.
I thought you would want to study.
Yes, Tata, why do I need to study? I learn too much.
Not everything is learned here at home, Pepe. Don't worry, I will visit you. Live with your own family, do not depend with your family. Right, Pasiano? Father was right. Go ahead, just go ahead, Pasiano. Take Rizal.
Nanang,
Adios, Pepe. Adios, Pepe.
From now on, you will not use that and every time. It is dangerous for you. For you will be implicated in the revenge created by the evil men in our family.
why do you say so, brother?
They are jealous in our family, including I am close to Padre Burgos, including the refusal of Tatang to pay taxes. So Pipi, study well and don't put our family in embarrassment.
Yes, brother. By the way, what will your surname?
Rizal.
Basta't walang tagal ka lang nakatali sa bibig,
El niño es bueno de obediente. El niño es bueno de obediente. Guitarra de amado de apreciado. Guitarra de amado de apreciado. Pepe, do you have any knowledge about speaking Spanish?
Un poco, señor.
How about Latin?
Un poco, señor.
Poco! Maybe you don't have any idea in your mind, that's why you always say un poco. Give me your hand.
Why, señor?
So that you can bear on your mind all things that you're supposed to know.
Hey, Pepe, where are you going?
I'm going to study my lesson.
Study? You study because you wanted to be ahead of us.
Let me go!
You brave, you're so thin. I'm sure your mother didn't feed you and your father's a dwarf.
My mother is intelligent. My father is not a dwarf.
Basta't walang tangkalan, nakatali sa bibig. Hirap ay matagal, kung ako ay malaman. Sa kuko ng agila, sa aking ay pumupuksan. Sa sariling lupa ay alipin ako ng sa kuko ng
Ngayon, ano ba? Bakit yan? Ngayon lang ngayon.
Good German. Un poco, yeah.
basta't walang tangkalan, nakatali sa bibig. Hirap ay matagal, kung ako ay malaman. Sa kuko ng agila, sa aking ay pumupuksan. Sa sariling lupa ay alipin ako ng sa kuko ng agila, kailangan kong makalaya. Ng tamang oras, upang malaman ang mga pang-aaral.
Wait. What are these things for?
Then check my baggage already. There's nothing wrong on it. That's why.
No excuses. This is an absolute act of betrayal. Arrest him!
Everyone knows what the Spaniards did to Rizal. It reveals how oppressive they are. Let's take the action of save Rizal. It reveals how oppressive they are. We have to take the action to save Rizal. Long live Philippines!